Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. So, I finally got my makeup and personal care collection organized, and in this video, I am showing you the before and after as well as tips to keep your collection organized. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and the notification icon. As you can see, this is all pretty messy, and when things are this messy, it is difficult to know or even use what you already have. And honestly, keeping things clean and organized helps to reduce stress. So this brings me to my first tip. Chances are you have way more than you need. So the strategy here is to take stock. Keep what you need or you really love. Give away what is still good and junk the others. Your organizing style will be centered around your personal preference and the space that you have. It could be drawers, it could be on tabletops or vanities, or it can even be on the wall. The style you choose would dictate the accessories that you would need to get. This for me is the most important tip of organizing. It is easier to keep things tidy if they are all assigned to their own space. Create a theme for how you want these things grouped. For example, all your facial makeup can be grouped together, and all your hair product can also be grouped together. I wanted to keep all of my stuff inside drawers, tucked in neatly and away from sight, so I got drawer bins and inserts. There are different styles and sizes out there. I will leave a link below for the ones that I got. My advice is to measure your drawer, the length, width, and height, and then customize your inserts and bins to fit and fill the drawer as closely as possible. If you keep things from moving, it is much easier to keep it clean. For my lipstick and eye collection, I got this tall and short drawer inserts. Each has 24 slots, and that's more space than I'll probably ever need. I also got a pencil organizer. I will leave all of this in the description box below. Remember to leave space for you to grow into, and keep your space and measurements in mind the next time you shop. My final tip to you is continuous improvement. And this tip goes hand in hand with tip number 1, which is declutter. So every once in a while, you're going to have to take stock and you're going to have to reevaluate and declutter. That's to prevent you from getting overly disorganized again. But all the other tips really makes this final tip a lot easier. Keep in mind you're gonna have to do this every once in a while, because as you use stuff, things gradually move, and things gradually get relocated. So don't get frustrated with yourself. Just kind of revisit the steps every once in a while. Good luck with your organizing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.